Not only does your Electrolux Induction Cooktop deliver more delicious results, it also requires less effort when it comes time to clean and care for it. Before you start cleaning, always make sure the cooktop is completely cool. Then, apply a ceramic cooktop cleaning cream of your choice. Use a paper towel or cloth to clean the entire cooktop surface. Buff the glass with a soft, clean cloth until there is no residue. Avoid spraying large amounts of cleaner directly on the control area, as excess moisture on the control area may cause damage. To ensure the best care of your induction cooktop, remember, it's best to lift your pots and pans when moving or adjusting on your cooktop surface. This helps avoid scratches or damage. Sliding your cookware can leave markings on the surface. If this happens, use your cooktop cleaner as soon as the cooking surface is cool to remove scuffs or flaws. The best way to protect your cooktop is to clean up spills and scuffs when they happen. Scratch marks can potentially become permanent if not removed before you use the cooktop again. For heavy or cooked-on spills, apply cooktop cleaner directly to the affected area. Rub the spot using a non-abrasive scrubbing pad, applying pressure as needed. And to help ensure the longevity of your appliance, don't forget to check the quality of your cookware. Pots and pans with rough bottoms can mark or scratch the cooktop surface. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.